Conversation 1, Buying Fruits.
Hi, can you help me find the apples?
Sure. The apples are in the fruit section, over there.
Thank you. How much are they?
They are $2 per pound.
Great. I'll take 3 pounds, please.
Anything else you need?
Yes, I also need some bananas.
The bananas are right next to the apples. They are $1 per bunch.
Perfect. I'll take 1 bunch.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all for today.
That will be $7 in total.
Conversation 2, Finding Your Way in the Supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in aisle 5, near the back of the store.
Thank you. And where are the eggs?
The eggs are in the refrigerated section, next to the milk.
Perfect, I need both. What about bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Great. Can I also find butter there?
No, butter is in the same section as the milk and eggs.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I think that's all for now. Thanks again. Conversation 3, Checking out at the counter.
Hello, did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. Do you have a membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Your total is $35.50. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Conversation 4, Asking about promotions. Excuse me, are there any discounts on pasta today?
Yes, we have a buy one, get one free offer on all pasta.
Oh, that's great. Is it for all brands?
Yes, it applies to all brands of pasta.
Perfect. I'll get 2 packs.
Anything else you're looking for today?
Do you have any promotions on olive oil?
Let me check. Yes, there's a 20% discount on this brand here.
Great, I'll take 1 bottle.
Wonderful. Please let me know if you need more help.
Thank you so much. Conversation 5, Asking about organic products. Hi, do you have organic vegetables?
Yes, we have a section with organic produce. It's right over there.
Thank you. Are these carrots organic?
Yes, they are 100% organic.
Great. I'll take a bag of these.
Anything else?
Do you have organic tomatoes?
Yes, they're in the same section, just next to the carrots.
Perfect. I'll grab some.
Let me know if you need more help.
Will do, thank you. Conversation 6, Returning or exchanging a product. Hi, I bought this milk yesterday, but it's already expired.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or a replacement?
I'd prefer a replacement, if possible.
No problem. You can go pick up a new one from the shelf.
Should I bring it back here, or can I go straight to the checkout?
Just bring it back here, and I'll take care of it for you.
Okay, I'll be right back with the new one. Here's the new milk.
Great, I'll swap this out for you. Everything is good to go now.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Conversation 7, Asking about out-of-stock products. Excuse me, do you have any more chicken?
Let me check. It looks like we're out of chicken at the moment.
Oh, that's too bad. Do you know when you'll get more?
We're expecting a delivery tomorrow morning.
So I could come back tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, that should be perfect. We should have it in stock by then.
Great, thank you. Do you have any other types of meat available now?
Yes, we still have beef, pork, and some fish in stock.
Alright, I might get some beef today instead.
Good choice. It's on sale this week, too.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Conversation 8, asking about payment methods. Hi, do you accept mobile payments here?
Yes, we do. We accept mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay.
That's great. Can I use it for any amount, or is there a minimum?
There's no minimum amount. You can use it for any purchase.
Perfect. Do you accept contactless cards as well?
Yes, contactless cards work too. You can just tap them here.
Awesome. I'll use my phone this time. Where do I tap it?
Just tap your phone on this screen here.
Alright. Done. That was easy.
Yes, it's very convenient. Would you like a printed receipt or an emailed one?
I'll take an emailed receipt, please. Thank you so much. Conversation 9, buying frozen or fast food. Hi, where can I find the frozen pizza?
The frozen foods section is in aisle 7.
Thank you. Do you have any recommendations for a good brand?
Sure. This brand here is very popular and it's on sale today.
Oh, nice. How much is it?
It's $5.99 for one or two for $10.
That's a good deal. I'll take 2, then.
Great choice. Do you need anything else from the frozen section?
Yes, do you also have frozen fries?
Yes, they're in the same aisle, just a bit further down.
Perfect. I'll grab some of those, too. Thanks for all the help. Conversation 10, asking for help with a shopping cart.
Excuse me, could you help me with this heavy cart?
Of course. Where would you like to go?
I need to get to the checkout, but it's a bit hard to push.
No problem. I'll help you get it there.
Thank you so much. This cart is full, and it's heavier than I expected.
It happens. Do you need help with bagging the items as well?
That would be great, if it's not too much trouble.
Not at all. I can help you load everything into bags.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. You've been so helpful.
Happy to help. Do you need any assistance taking these to your car?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
Conversation 11, asking for bakery items.
Excuse me, could you tell me where to find the bread?
Sure, the bakery section is in aisle 4.
Thank you. Do you have fresh baked bread today?
Yes, we bake fresh bread every morning.
Great. Could you recommend a type?
Our sourdough is very popular. It's soft on the inside with a crispy crust.
That sounds delicious. I'll take one loaf of sourdough.
Would you like anything else from the bakery? We also have pastries.
I'd love a croissant too, please.
All right. Here's your bread and croissant.
Thank you so much for the help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your bread.
Conversation 12, looking for a gift. Hi, I'm looking for a small gift. Can you help me?
Of course. Do you have something specific in mind?
Not really. Maybe a food item or something unique?
How about a box of chocolates? They're popular gifts.
That sounds good. Where can I find them?
The chocolates are in aisle 10. There are many types to choose from.
Perfect, thank you. Do you have gift wrapping as well?
Yes, we do. Just bring it to the front, and we'll wrap it for you.
Wonderful. I'll go pick one out now.
Let me know if you need more help.
Thank you for the suggestion.
Anytime.
Conversation 13, asking about seafood. Hi, is the seafood section open?
Yes, we're open. What are you looking for?
I'd like some salmon. Do you have it fresh?
Yes, we have fresh salmon today. Would you like a fillet?
Yes, please. Can I get about half a pound?
Sure thing. Is there anything else you need?
Do you also have shrimp?
Yes, we have shrimp, both cooked and raw.
I'll take half a pound of raw shrimp, please.
Got it. Here's your salmon and shrimp.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Conversation 14, Choosing Vegetables. Hi. Could you help me choose some fresh vegetables?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I need some carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce.
The carrots are here, and they're very fresh today.
Perfect. And the tomatoes?
Right over here. These ones are ripe and great for salads.
Great. I'll take these. What about the lettuce?
We have two types, romaine and iceberg.
I'll go with the romaine, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure.
Conversation 15, Using a loyalty card. Hi, I have a loyalty card. Can I use it here?
Yes, of course. Just scan it here before we check out.
Great, thank you. Will I get a discount on my purchase?
Yes, you'll earn points and may get discounts on some items.
That's awesome. How many points do I have?
Let me check. You have 300 points so far.
How many points do I need for a reward?
At 500 points, you get a $5 discount.
That's great. I'll keep saving up.
Good plan. Here's your receipt.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Conversation 16, Asking about new products. Excuse me, do you have any new products in stock?
Yes. We just received some new snacks and drinks.
That sounds interesting. Where can I find them?
They're at the front of aisle 2.
Great, I'll check them out. Any recommendations?
The new sparkling water flavors are really popular.
That sounds good. I'll give them a try.
Let me know if you have any questions about the products.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem at all. Enjoy shopping.
Thank you for the help.
You're welcome.
Conversation 17, Looking for healthy options.
Hi, I'm looking for some healthy snack options.
Sure, we have a range of nuts, fruits, and whole grain snacks.
Great. Could you show me the nuts section?
Absolutely. The nuts are in aisle 5. We have almonds, cashews, and more.
Perfect. I'll get a bag of almonds.
We also have dried fruits, like raisins and apricots.
That sounds nice. I'll take some raisins too.
Would you like to see our granola options as well?
Yes, please. Where are they?
They're on the same aisle, right next to the nuts.
Thank you. This is exactly what I needed.
Happy to help. Conversation 18, Choosing Drinks. Hi, can you help me pick out some drinks?
Of course. Are you looking for anything specific?
Something refreshing. Maybe juice or sparkling water.
We have a variety of juices in aisle 6 and sparkling water in aisle 7.
Do you have any tropical flavored drinks?
Yes. The juice section has mango and pineapple flavors.
Perfect, I'll try those. Do you have smaller bottles?
Yes, we have both small and large sizes.
I'll get the small bottles for now. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your drinks.
Thanks. Conversation 19, Shopping for a party.
Hi, I need to buy some snacks and drinks for a party.
Great. We have a lot of options. What kind of snacks are you thinking?
Maybe chips and some dip.
Chips are in aisle 3, and dips are right next to them.
Perfect. Do you have any recommendations for drinks?
We have soda, juice, and sparkling water in aisle 7.
I'll get a mix of those. Anything else I should add?
Maybe some fruit platters or cheese trays.
That's a great idea. Where are those?
In the deli section, near the back of the store.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Conversation 20. Asking about cleaning supplies. Hi, where can I find cleaning supplies?
Cleaning supplies are in all 9. What do you need specifically?
I'm looking for some disinfectant and paper towels.
We have both. Disinfectants are at the beginning of the aisle, and paper towels are at the end.
Great. Do you have any eco-friendly options?
Yes, we have a green brand that's very popular.
Perfect, I'll try that. Anything on sale?
Yes, there's a discount on sponges and wipes today.
I'll grab those too, then. Thanks for the info.
My pleasure. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do, thank you.